Hello! This video will cover some of the advanced features of the JSTOR database. To begin with, we will go ahead and click on the Advanced search on the home page. And from this page, you can go ahead and do your search. Let's say that you're writing a paper on the Fauvism art movement, and you wanted to specifically talk about Henri Matisse. You would go down here. Now, this is where you can narrow it down if you'd like to just pamphlets or just research reports or just articles, books, or reviews. But for now, we're going to leave it blank. You can also narrow it by year. And then these are all of the periodicals that are available. You can see there's quite a few here. For our purposes, though, we are going to just click on the art and history. This is going to search all 169 titles. Now, if you wanted to, you could click this little arrow, and this will show each and every one of the 169 that are in here. If you knew a specific journal that you wanted to use, or say you wanted to use the American Art Journal, you could just, do the two. But for this search, let's just go ahead and click on all of them. So you do that, and then go down to the bottom and click Search. Okay, and this is going to bring up the search results. As you can see, we have 175 results here. You can go ahead and narrow this if you'd like by just journals or just book chapters, again, or just by dates or subjects. It looks like we've got approximately 175 results. This is kind of an interesting feature. It shows snippets, so if this isn't clicked, you can go ahead and click on it, and it just shows where in your search results your terms are. So let's say we would just go ahead and click on this one. And here we have a journal article, Still Life with Statuette by Henri Matisse. This is the article here. So if you wanted to save it, again, you could just go ahead and download the PDF right to your computer. The next really cool feature is the text analyzer. So you just go ahead and go back to the JSTOR homepage, and under the advanced search is this little link here, text analyzer. So you go ahead and click on that, and that is going to bring up the text analyzer. Essentially, you can upload a paper or a document, even your own paper that you've written, or even a web page. And what it does is it will go ahead and read your paper and figure out what it is about. So let's just try this. Let's go ahead and drop a document in here. And it is reading the document right now, and it's going to give us the results. Okay, and here are the results. So after it's processed the document that you uploaded, it will recommend books and articles in JSTOR. These results are automatically filtered. They'll show the full text available to, since I'm logged in as an SJSU student, it'll show the full text available to me. However, you can expand your results to include all documents available. So what it does is it shows you the percentage in each document. Like there's a lot about the Cubism movement in here, love, Trinity. You can go ahead and adjust these. Like if you wanted, more about Cubism and, more about philosophy, maybe less about love, it will adjust. It'll update your search results. Another cool thing is you can just click on these. Like if you wanted more about conceptual art or Christian philosophy, art appreciation, as you click on these, it adjust your results, which is pretty cool. So you can just go ahead, let's just go ahead and click on this one. Okay, and now it's brought up an abstract of the journal article. Again, you can just go ahead and download this to your computer, or you can preview it straight from this page. This concludes the special features video. I hope you enjoy using JSTOR, and I hope you find it helpful in your searching endeavors.